I like to use something called Take 5, and I do it throughout the day. So it can be a 20-minute lesson that you're teaching, and in the middle of it, I'm just going to say, let's take 5. What does that mean? It means it's time for you to maybe get up, stretch, talk to your neighbor, look at something you want to look at, go get a drink from the water bottle station, whatever it is. But Take 5 just helps to kind of interrupt the flow of what's happening, but give the brain a chance to relax. So what actually happens is the stuff you may have taught the first 10, 15 minutes before you did the Take 5 has a chance to find its way in the brain and where it wants to land. Then we gather up again and go, okay, let's finish this lesson before we get on to the next thing. Here's what I found is that even with adults and with kids, when they know that throughout the day someone's going to say, hey, just take 5, they tend to be able to attend a little longer. And we know that attention spans are waning because there's a lot of immediate gratification. There's a lot of technology. Hey, I don't know how if you do this, but I sure do. I record my favorite shows on TV because I don't have the attention span to sit through the commercials. So it kind of is affecting all of us. But put something in your classroom throughout the day that's Take 5. You're not talking about what we just taught. It's time for you to just take care of yourself for 5. In the beginning, is it hard to get them back? Absolutely. But once they know that it's going to happen throughout the day, it really does make a difference.